Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to know person sales in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see country and sales are given, but I want to know the person sales. You can use the formula is equal to and select the sales divided by total sales and multiply by 100 and press enter. It will show the person sales. Now I will give you a very easy technique to get all the person sales. I just remove it. Now select all the cells and here you will find the quick analysis tool. Just click here and now go to the totals and at the end you will find the person total. Just click here. It will get person sales in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.